Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about fallback route. In here you can see I have two routes, one is about, another is contact from my previous video. If I go to the about route and you can see here is about page, and same wise if I go to contact route I will get the contact page. Now suppose I type here a wrong route called XYZ and enter, and I will get 404 because we didn't register any kind of route called XYZ in our web.php, right? And this is the default mechanism of Laravel. If Laravel couldn't find the route in the route list, it will throw 404 page. Now suppose you don't want to show 404 page, you want to show some another page or another datas if anyone hit a wrong route. For handle this behavior, there is a route called fallback route, which we can use for change this default behavior of Laravel. Now for fallback route, we have to take route, then we will say fallback. Let's say we will show a message if anyone hit a wrong route. So for that we will declare our action function, then let's say we'll return exist, right? And one thing to note, fallback route always will be in the bottom of your all routes. If you paste this route on the top, then this route won't work. So you have to write it always in the bottom of your all routes. Now let's check it. Now if I go to a wrong route, that will show me route not exist. If I zoom it a bit, you can see here. Now if I say again about and enter, you can see it showing about, contact. If I write any kind of wrong route, let's say anything, enter, it will show me route not exist.